Welcome back to the channel. Today we are stepping into the magical world of Christmas. It's a beautiful history, the meaning behind our favorite decoration, and heartwarming story that remind us what this season is truly about. So grab a warm drink, sit back, and begin a favorite journey. Christmas is a day celebrated across the world with joy, warmth, and togetherness. But where did it all begin? Thousands of years long before Christmas, existing many cultures celebrated mid winter festive. These festivals welcome the return of longer days and symbolize hope. In the cold dark season, families lit candles decorated with evergreen branches and shared food with their community. Later, as Christianity spread, December 25th was chosen as a day of celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, symbolizes peace, love, and compassion. Over centuries, these traditions blended together, old customs mixed with new belief, and slowly the Christmas we know today was born from Europe to Asia, from small town to big cities. Christmas continued to evolution, bringing unique tradition to every corner of the world. Christmas decorations are not just ornaments; they are symbol full of history and meaningful. Evergreen trees stay green all year, even through harsh winter. Ancient people saw them as a symbol of life and hope. Over time, the simple evergreen branches become the fully decorated Christian Christmas tree we know today, covered in lights, ornaments, and memories. The star at the top of the tree reminds us on the star Bethlehem which guided the wise men. Today it represents guidance, dreams, and the light that lead us towards hope. Centuries ago, candles were used to brighten long dark winter nights. Now thousands of sparkling lights symbolize warmth and joy, lighting up our homes, our streets, and our hearts. Exchanging gifts represent love, generosity, and the spirit of giving ribbon remind us that great gifts are the people we hold close. Circular wreaths represent an infinity unity without end. Garlands bring the beauty of nature inside our home, remind us that life continues even in the quiet of winter. Each decoration we place in more than just decor. It's a piece of history, a symbol of love, and remind of the true magic of the season. There was once a little girl named Alina who loved Christmas more than anything, not because of gifts, chocolates, but because she loved decorating the family Christmas tree. But this year was different. Her father had recently lost his job, and her mother was working extra hours. Money was tight, and decorations were old and worn out. One cold December, Alina asked, "Are we still decorating the tree this year?" Her parents smiled gently, unsure how to answer. Alina did not wait. She stopped outside, picked fallen pine cone from a ground, collected small twigs, and even saved scrap of fabric. She tied little bows, painted the pine cones